Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn on features of ChatGPT 5. It is released on August 7th. So it is the most recent, fastest and smartest model released by OpenAI. So these are some of the features of ChatGPT 5, which includes coding. So this is the simple prompt they have given to ChatGPT 5, that is create a single page app on single HTML. Game name is Jumping Ball Runner. So we'll try this. It is quite smooth. I click on this. Okay, the game is over. Try. Okay. So this is the best simple game they have created using simple prompt. So this is the potential of ChatGPT 5. Then the health sector, it is giving nice results as compared to older models. And for evaluations, let's see, it also giving higher performance as compared to older models, that is O3, 4.0 model. Then math reasoning, it is also giving higher performance. Accuracy, sorry, it is showing higher performance. In coding also, the accuracy is enhanced as compared to older models. Then it is agentic AI, also ChatGPT 5 is booming the results. Also, there are various other test results are shown here. These are some economically tasks tested using GPT-5, ChatGPT agent, and O3 models. So overall, ChatGPT 5 is showing better results. It is faster, more efficient in thinking. So overall, ChatGPT 5 is better as compared to the available models. So let's use the ChatGPT 5. So prepare and HTML done. Okay. Let's see how we can prepare a simple game. It is started coding and it's it's already written more than 300 lines. It is done. So I'm done the code. Play versus computer. Okay. It's ready. Thanks. Then I'll start again. It's quite smart enough. Now the ties are two. I'll start again. It is smart enough. So I can play better. Oh, yeah. You won the first game. So you can change the difficulty level as well. Now, let's see. So you can change, if you want to start as O, play versus number of players, you can. No, you can change the two player or play versus computer. Okay, it is nice, very nice, excellent coding within a few seconds. So here it is ChatGPT 5 and you can use it free for right now. So start using it, and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.